All right, hey guys, so I wanted to take a quick look at AMC today. We're working our way back to the 60s, whereas yesterday, we saw a point of around $49, a low of around $42, $40, but a lot of people freaked out. But the diamond hands did hold strong here, and if you were able to hold, right, you're reaping the rewards. And if you were able to buy the dip, congratulations, you're getting some great gains right now. Let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute here, right? So, okay, we've been having an upward trend. Yep. From here, a couple nice good green candles. Now, this is good because, we know the volatility, so it's kind of hard to predict AMC or to speculate off of the minute-to-minute trading. But a lot of people were very worried about the sell-off yesterday because the news came out that AMC sold almost 11.5 million shares, right? Almost $1 billion. I think it was around $890 million. That was an insane amount. So many people were so confused because they weren't sure what was going on. They saw the sell-off from about $60 all the way down to $40. They thought that yesterday might be the day where we hit $100, but you know it just wasn't yesterday. But today, people thought that that might be another possibility. Going to $100 doesn't seem very likely by the end of the day, but if we could end our way around $70, I think that'd be a good price point because then throughout next week we can chip our way to that point, right? And as more traction grows and more people hear about it through the communities and online, we'll have a decent shot at getting our way there. And I still believe there's a lot of shares that have not been covered yet. So the 1 day here, yes. So a lot of red candles, early pre-market, early, yeah. So I know a lot of people were probably extremely worried around $49, $48 because it was holding there, but we did see a nice wall yesterday of around $40, and I don't believe we went past that, right? So, I mean, from here you see a little bit of a downtrend, sideways trading up until you get a little bit of a rise, and now we're right around $56, which is not a bad point because, like I was saying, if we can build off of this, guys, then there could be and a double on your money does not come around very often. So, I mean, a couple days ago we saw that 100% boom. I mean, that was a very big boom, but we can't expect things like that every single day. If it were to happen every single day, that could potentially be a bad thing because then we're going to have an insane drop down. But no, I don't think we have a whole lot to worry about here because if you were a guy that got in around $25, you still have your 100%. Never a bad thing to take some chips off of the table, though, and play it smart. Let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute here, guys. Yeah, so we've been nicely working our way up. 100%, yeah. And, we've been holding right around that $55 for about, I believe, like 35 minutes and about an hour here. Let's go ahead and check this. Yeah, so we've been working our way up. I mean, if we can get our ways in the 60s by 60s, 70s by the end of the day, I think that'll be a good point, but it just depends on the type of news because the news can move the market, right? So, especially as we've seen with Dogecoin and Elon Musk tweeting recently, he was talking about how he kind of broke up with Bitcoin, making a lot of people lead or think that, that Dogecoin is, the choice of Elon. As I mean, a lot of people were kind of freaked out by that. A lot of people thought that Coinbase was going to have a bigger impact than it did. But just as we saw that impact that situation, we can see how it's going to impact AMC. Maybe we see some people come out and say, AMC sold more news that could cause a potential sell off. But hey, they might not have too many more shares to sell. So we'll just see here. And as people continue to hold and throughout the next coming weeks, I think we could see a decent price point for AMC. So I think we have a lot to look forward to here. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys watching today and spending your time with me. Let me know any AMC questions that you guys have, any of your speculations or anything. Comment it below. Let's continue to grow our community. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys watching and spending your time with me. Go hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos just like this. I greatly appreciate it. All right, I'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoy watching videos just like this, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on the latest videos.